Hi Renee. Hi Alex. I thought you were coming in a Tesla. You decided to come with a Jeep.
I didn't charge last night.
Oh, okay. That's fine. As we were setting up this tent, I noticed a very important detail. Check these out. These are YKK zippers. These will most likely never fail on you. You got two doors, each has its own screens to keep the bugs out. When you don't need them, you just simply roll them up like a curtain. Two awnings over here. One extends the living space outward. The other awning faces the vehicle direction that covers the hatch area so water doesn't go in if it's raining. The entire tent is made of this water-repelled cotton material, and the bottom has this thick and completely waterproof layer. Setting this up is so simple. Unlike other camping tents, you don't have to struggle with the rods. You simply use the included hand pump to inflate the internal columns, and the whole thing just stands up on its own. Chef Eric,
That's it.
what are you making us?
I'm making burritos.
Burritos, what kind?
They are vegetarian burritos. So lots of beans for protein and some veggies.
Yeah. And over here, Chef Renee, what you got here?
The soup.
Whoa!
罗宋汤.
Hell yeah. Hi Alex. Making water.
Cooking hot water.
The most difficult
Yeah,
task.
that's hard.
I'll go out from the other side.
Perfect for 4.
Ready for the day? Yeah. Eric, how was your night?
Well, good, thank you.
Were you cold?
A little bit,
A
yeah.
little bit? Okay. Well,
The heating in the Tesla helped.
yeah, but it's like -5 here, Celsius.
Oh,
So it's cold. Renee,
Yeah.
you slept well?
Yes. Have a good night.
Yeah, Alex disappeared in the middle of the night and went to his Jeep.